If you are dealing with discomfort on one side of your lower back that goes into your hip, I want you to try this simple routine for some quick relief. To get started, you lie on your back with one leg straight and the other bent. Using the hand opposite the bent leg, slowly guide your knee across the body to the opposite side. You should be able to feel a gentle stretch through your outer hip into the side of your lower back. The goal here is to lengthen the deeper muscle around this area to loosen it up. Hold 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. To prevent the discomfort from coming back, we are going to have to strengthen the lengthened muscle with a side plank thrust by getting on our side, supporting ourselves with the elbow, knees bent. Slowly thrust your hip upwards, hold 2 to 3 seconds, then gently lower it down. This will help your hips and lower back support load and movement better, providing you with good support throughout your day. Do 10 to 15 reps.